Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by attaching the type cover now. Align the magnetic edge until it clicks, then open the cover and power on the surface. Once done, unlock Windows and confirm your language and keyboard layout in settings so keys match what you expect. If your keyboard has a battery, make sure it's charged. If you plan to use Bluetooth, disable pairing for the cover. The direct connector is faster and more reliable. You should now practice the core interactions. Press the function row to adjust brightness, volume, or switch displays. These are quicker than diving into menus. Once done, learn the essential Windows key combinations. Windows plus D minimizes, Windows plus L locks, so you move efficiently. Make sure to try touchpad gestures too. 2-finger scroll for pages, 3-finger swipe for task switching, pinch to zoom images. These gestures save time and reduce reaching for the screen. You finish by customizing typing behavior. Set repeat rate and preferred layout in settings so typing feels natural. Once done, check Windows Update or Device Manager for keyboard driver updates to keep responses crisp. If keys act up, detach the cover, reboot the Surface, then reconnect. Make sure connectors are clean. If problems persist, run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter. This usually identifies driver or configuration errors, and it often resolves the last stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.